How to activate a Cash App card. Now basically, if you want to activate a Cash App card, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch Cash App right here, and once you launch Cash App, this is the type of interface that you will see. Now from here you want to simply go to this card option that you can find here, and once you hit the card button there, you can simply select any type of card that you want to. So just select the card that you want and hit the order button. Now once you've done that, if you already have received your card, right, select your existing card and select the option called activate cash card. So when you select your card, you'll find the option to activate it. As soon as you've done that, your Cash App card will be activated. You can also choose to enable the cash card and show the card info. If you want, you can also add it to Apple Pay, or you can copy the card number or anything as such. This way you'll be able to activate a Cash App card. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.